Casino.
This is the worst place you could take me, Bob. You know I'm a gambling addicted person.
I know, but but you win. Sometimes.
They got slots.
And sluts.
Bad combination.
Oh, I know. I'll spend all my money.
On the sluts or the slots?
Both.
14!
That was good speed.
And that is my science project.
You get an A!
Yes, cold fusion has finally been revealed to mankind.
Did you have to take out the school?
Well, sometimes you gotta break a few eggs to make cold fusion.
Well, I'm off. Want to go get some lunch?
Sure.
96!
You'll come to this club often?
Yeah, makes you feel real cool. You playing them bongos like that.
I do. I like to play the bongos. I like to slap the skin.
Whoa, that's not that kind of club, is it?
What do you mean?
You said slap the skin.
Hey, tap the drum. You know like it to tap the drum? You like it to tap the drum. Oh, I can see you like it to tap the drum.
Whoa, what are we saying here, buddy?
I'm saying sometimes I like to make the music with my fingers.
Pretty ambiguous is what I'm saying. I'm out of here.
69.
Here she comes, Miss America.
You're hogging the spotlight.
But now, you gotta make a speech.
Bitch.
I
Thank
won
you.
last year.
I want to thank my parents and my boyfriend Billy, who's in the. Hey, Billy.
Hey, Billy, I had a good time last night.
17.
I really didn't want this cruise. It's alright. At least it's not Italian.